Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a Linux distribution that has been getting a lot of hype recently, especially among gamers and performance-focused users. It's called CachyOS. And if you've ever wished Arch Linux could be easier, faster, and more optimized out of the box, this might be the distro you've been waiting for. CachyOS is based on Arch Linux, but unlike traditional Arch, which focuses on minimalism and manual setup, CachyOS takes a different approach. Its main goal is performance. It optimizes your system for gaming, desktop responsiveness, multitasking, and modern CPU. One of the biggest features is that it provides CPU-specific packages. Instead of using generic binaries like most distros, CachyOS gives you software built and optimized for your exact processor family, whether you have AMD Zen 4, Ryzen 5, Intel Alder Lake, or Oder Kaput. This means better performance, faster execution, and improved efficiency right out of the box. Another major highlight is the kernel. CachyOS ships with a highly optimized kernel that focuses on low latency, faster I/O, improved scheduling, and overall better responsiveness, especially when the system is under heavy load. You also get multiple kernel options such as the Cachy kernel, Liquorix, Linux Zen, Hardened, and LT, allowing you to choose what fits your usage best, whether that's gaming, content creation, or even running a server. One thing that really surprises people is how easy it is to install. While Arch Linux typically requires manual configuration and can take hours to set up, CachyOS offers a guided installer with automatic driver detection, pre-configured desktops, and options for file systems like XFS and ext4. You can literally install a fully optimized Arch-based system in under 10 minutes, which is a huge win for new users. CachyOS also supports a wide range of desktop environments such as KDE Plasma, GNOME, XFCE, Cinnamon, Sway, and Hyper. Each one comes pre-tuned for smoother animations, better memory usage, and faster responsiveness. For example, KDE on CachyOS feels noticeably snappier compared to stock Arch or even Manjaro. Performance is where CachyOS really shines. Users report higher FPS in games, faster app launch times, better responsiveness during heavy multitasking, and lower idle CPU usage. Games like CSGO, Valorant Through Wine, or Proton, Cyberpunk 2077, and Elden Ring often perform better when combined with the Cachy kernel and CPU-specific optimizations. It delivers many of the performance benefits of Gen 2 without forcing you to compile everything yourself. The package management experience also improves. You still have Pacman, but with enhancements like parallel downloads, optimized compile flags, and binary repositories from multiple CPU architectures. You can even choose to build software from source if you want maximum performance, but it's optional rather than required. Security isn't ignored either. CachyOS includes hardened toolchains, quick security patch delivery, sandboxing support, and fire jail options, making it useful not only for gamers but also privacy-focused users. So, who is CachyOS for? It's perfect for gamers, performance enthusiasts, people with modern hardware, and anyone who wants the power of Arch without the complicated setup. However, if you're running very old hardware, or you want maximum stability like Debian or Fedora LT, or you don't want to deal with occasional issues that come with rolling releases, it might not be the best choice. The big question is whether you should switch. If you love Arch-based systems and want an easier installation, better performance pre-tuned kernels, and built-in gaming enhancements, CachyOS is definitely worth trying. But if you want a system where absolutely nothing changes and stability is your top priority, something like Debian, Linux Mint, or Fedora Silverblue might suit you better. Overall, CachyOS brings something fresh to the Linux world. It proves that performance tuning doesn't have to be complicated, and that a rolling release system can still feel polished and fast. If you want a system that feels snappy, responsive, and modern, CachyOS is absolutely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which Linux distro you want me to cover next. See you in the next one.